All right, this is my review of the Tide Ultra Oxy High Efficiency Laundry Detergent. First of all, my name is Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. This review is not going to be very long. There's not much to say. There's a few different brands of laundry detergent out there, but everyone knows this is the most well-known brand. I happen to have been using this brand since I was a little kid, so I grew up with it. And they just keep getting better. So we've got a family of 4. Dude, sometimes we throw in towels with sheets, we throw in colors with whites. This stuff just works. I think the Ultra Oxy even it gets stains out better and it keeps the colors brighter longer without even having to worry about putting things, washing things properly. I mean, we just sometimes throw a bunch of stuff in the washer and things just work. So our family highly recommends this product. And if you haven't tried it, I recommend trying it because this could be the one you end up going with. This is the one that we just stick with every time. Hope this review was helpful and enjoy the laundry.